In this video, I want to show you how to remove and replace the filter for Philips AC4236. To do this, first you will need to grab right here on the side where the cable is coming from and just pull it towards you. That should open the cover, and inside you can find the filter. To remove it, just pull it on the handle right there and it comes out nicely. Now to place it in, you will need to align it, and you can see the direction where you should put it right here on the top of the filter. So grab it like that and just slide it in. Now we can take the cover and just lock it in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.